This is Codecademy. I'm currently working on their Introduction to JavaScript course, and I'm on, well, let's see, the functions lesson and part 9, arrow functions. All right. Instructions. Change plant needs water to use arrow function syntax. Syntax is like grammar, okay? So what we're going to be doing is, well, kind of gives it away. We are going to be using the arrow function syntax. This is a direct example of it, right? So write functions by using a special fat arrow notation. Arrow functions remove the need to type out the keyword function every time. So it makes code a bit more efficient, if you will, right? We can be a bit lazy. Every time you need to create a function, instead, you first include the parameter inside the parentheses and then add an arrow that points to the function body surrounded in brackets, in curly brackets, like this. It's important to be familiar with the multiple ways of writing functions because you will come across each of these when reading other JavaScript code. You absolutely will, and you won't know what's going on if you don't see this stuff now. So all we need to do is convert this by function word. Right? Programming is about efficiency. So oftentimes there's symbols that will mean the same thing as text and words do because it's faster for programmers to write these. All right, let's see. That looks solid to me. Who knows? Let's hit run. Ta-da! Perfect. So this is what worked for me. Great. Let's keep going.